Hey friends, who's hungry? Glazed cranberry chicken is a festive, easy-to-prepare chicken dinner perfect for a holiday meal. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Gently lift the skin of 6 chicken thighs and rub the butter mixture evenly under the skin. Place the chicken skin side up on a rimmed baking sheet and brush the top of each chicken thigh with olive oil. Season the chicken thighs with additional salt and pepper. Then roast the chicken for about 35 to 45 minutes until the skin is golden brown and the internal temperature on a meat thermometer reaches 165 degrees. While the chicken is roasting, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add 1 cup of chopped onions and saute for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until the onions are translucent. Add half a teaspoon of dried sage and half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Cook for 1 additional minute, then pour in 4 cups of chicken broth. Simmer the broth uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the broth mixture, discard the solids, and return the broth to the saucepan. Add 2 cups of fresh or frozen cranberries and half a cup of sugar. Bring the mixture to a boil and cook until the berries burst, about 5 to 8 minutes. Whisk together 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Pour the cornstarch mixture into the pot and allow the broth to continue boiling for 1 to 2 minutes until the glaze begins to thicken. Remove the cranberry glaze from the heat. Season with salt and pepper to your preference and serve over the roasted chicken thighs. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.